Hey, it's Gina from WTI. Who doesn't enjoy having a roaring fire, especially when it's cold out? I was so excited to try out these FireFlame fire starters because we live in an area that's extremely rainy, extremely windy. It's always difficult for me to get fires started in our front yard without using a ton of paper, and I don't want to fuss with that. I was so thrilled that I could get a fire started quickly without any paper, just using a couple of these fire starters. I even had to prove their claim that they could stay lit floating in water, and guess what? It's absolutely true. I love that these are made without harmful substances, and it's just like lighting a candle. You just use the coating as a wick. Don't worry, that's not plastic that you're lighting, it's just compressed vegetable oil. I'm looking forward to using these all year, either at home with our campfire, at the beach for bonfires, hiking, camping, or even in our survival bags. They're just so easy to use and convenient, and that's my point of view.